It's the Void again. Continuing on the journey of farting around in an Unreal Engine. There it is. I said last week that I was going to do some programming. I did not. Well, I kind of did. But I didn't do the programming I said I was going to do, so I'm going to do it tonight. Too bad for you. So last time we talked about how we're going to do all these clues, and we made some experiments about how to make that work. I've come up with a way to make it work, and I'm going to try and implement that today. But in between, I fixed the Woozy ability. I'll show that here right now. So if we go over here in our gameplay ability, load that up. So I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit. So we were having a problem. Oh, it's all this shit. We were having a problem where we were not able to have this fire twice. And the reason was that when we got to here, we were ending the ability. And we can't end the ability because that's what makes this zoom around a bunch. So we unchecked that. And then we said that we're going to stop the montage when the tag is removed. And to make sure I was doing it right, I put a little thing that said we have actually stopped the montage properly. So if we go, I think I'm gonna be a deer. Put two of these up because I don't need the CPU. Do you? Here we are. Oh, there's only one of me. That's weird. Anyways, where's the other one? Don't care. So I'm gonna turn this on. You can see I've got my Woozy, and you can see in the shadow that the arms all a little bit woozy. It's trying, goes back to normal, and then woos again. So it's, and you got the message. Get rid of this. You can, oops. And you see it does stop. As expected. I did expect there to be two there, but I think I've messed up how that is set up. Net mode. That's what we got. There you go. Save. I think we should have two of them now. Yeah, so we can see, and we should both be having problems. 64, so I think it's less than 60. It's woozy. You can see there's some woos going on over there. One thing I should check. So if I click on our net client, net client should also be woozy. That client is not getting woozy. Well then, that's something we'll have to look at eventually. But at the very least now we have this guy properly getting woozy every time, which is what we wanted to do. So that was your secret. Don't actually end the ability. What's this stuff again? End ability, get this, blah, 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 blah. And we will just delete those. We don't need those. Compile. Wait, gameplay, add. I'm just double checking. Tag add. Because the last thing that should happen is GE not oozing. This one here. Food is going -2. Sorry, this should be replicated, but doesn't seem to be doing that. That's something I can look at later, unless... Oh, wait, we know where this is, don't we? Right? Set up attributes. Wait for attribute changed. Food. So we gotta put this on the server. Anyway, that's not why we're here. But we'll do that next time. I'll put it on the list. Let's do that. What was I gonna do? Replicate Uzi check. It's not the effect, it's the check. All right, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna work on our clues again. So the way I figured we're gonna do this, we should make a clue actor that can get, that has a split space for the gameplay tags and the player who spawned it. And I'm pretty sure that's already part of Vector, but we'll get to there. And it has the code to create a custom gameplay effect. And then we can get all those in Blueprint. And then maybe we'll get to creating a base gameplay ability that gets a random clue-based gameplay tag from an instigator, and then spawns a clue actor with that tag plus a tag for the location. That we don't need to do that right now, but that's something we want to keep in mind when we're making this one. So let's start with that. So our clue is based on just actor. All right. And it's got all this stuff that we put in there. We have a clue there. That's almost what we want, but not quite. Because this is all done with the idea that we're going to do it by set caller by magnitude. We're not going to do that anymore. We're going to do it by creating gameplay effect that adds the tag to the actor when they come into the zone. But that's a little bit complicated doing blueprints, so we're going to go in here and do it over here. It's going to be based on actor, and that's going to be name. Clue. Good enough. Create class. I'm just spinnering this around. I should get this up and running, eh? Pay attention, though. Take that 9,000 years for this to load. Thanks, YouTube. Put it over here as usual. And then we have to wait because, of course, it takes forever. All right, here we are. So this is Visual Studio Code. We've got some generated stuff, public. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a function down here. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna do game framework. We want to go and steal something from attribute set? No. No. Guess character? Gameplay ability system? Hmm. Let me go find what this one is. It's based on what I'm trying to find is it's on my phone. Maybe I can just send it over. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry, everyone. I thought I had a window telling me which the class I'm trying to do. Game gas not set by color tag. What's a tag collection? I think. Oh, don't tell me it's just conveniently in here somewhere. No. Find tag container. Gameplay tag containers. None of these gameplay tags are replicated. Since gameplay ability spec. I think that's actually what I want though. Gameplay tag container. I don't think that's actually where it is, but if I go into here, oh, here it is. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Yeah, no, that's right. All right. So we're going to take that to struct. Sorry, I should probably be using this one. And this will be tags. And then I think we already have a spawner. But I will double check that. I'll put it in there for now. We may just need the tags. Also, sorry. So I think that's what it is. Let me just double check. I'm pretty sure that's actually on my phone. There we go. Exposing functions with the blueprint pure. It looks like, oh, there's no dots. New function, blueprint pure, void initialize. So there's that. And then oh, and so this one we're gonna return let's see, it's gonna be a gameplay effect, right? Let's make another one. Oh, that's no good. I want the documentation. Active gameplay effect level to remove active. No, I just want to actually have a gameplay effect. You know who's done this? That's right. I just have to remember where it is. So we can do so in here he's got a spot where he is on a character. It's on a minion. It's on a minion. It's a weird spot. I just gotta remember where it is. Ability, attribute set. No. That's the one. All right. So, and that includes gameplay effects.h, I guess. If it complains, we'll add the other one. All right, so this, we're going to kind of copy this where he's creating a gameplay effect there and then applying it somewhere, but I'm just gonna like return it instead of actually like apply it right away. And then this is going to be clue effect. Right? No, get clue effect, and it just opens and closes because it's going to be generated from what's this. I'm just thinking, is there anything else I need to do right now? Where's my list? Where's my list? All right. So now we have to implement this over here. So we're gonna do, actually, hold on before I do that. We want to, hold on. Let's do this instead. U property. And we'll just make it a property that you can like fart around with. If I can remember how to fart around with a property, which would be functions. Parameters, no. I'm just double checking, exposing custom blueprint modes, exposing C++ blueprint with view function, exposing functions. Execution pins. Just want to make sure I get this right. We got strings, Boolean types, floating point types, property specifiers. Okay, but I need more than that. Metadata specifiers. That's not what we're going to do. Let's do it a different way. Let's void initialize. I'm gonna, just in case, I don't know what's in here, so I'm gonna make sure this is initialize clue. And a clue part of that. Oop, wrong button. And then we're gonna have to have these guys as well. Right click, copy. Oh my god, it's way down here. Way down here. In the middle. Copy. I'm not sure if we actually need this one. We'll find out in a minute. But for now, we'll keep it. We'll just leave it like that. We just won't care about it. You know what? Let's remove it. We'll add it if we need it later, because we're not going to use it on this one. Let's go. So we'll have tags, and then down here we'll have a new gameplay effect. Whoops. Okay, so I've done a bunch of that. Let's see what happens if I do this. Assuming the editor is running properly. There we go. All right, so while that's happening, I'll explain kind of what I'm trying to do here. I want to keep the tags about a clue in the clue object, and then I want it to spit out a clue effect when I ask for it, and that effect will add those gameplay cues or gameplay tags to whatever actor is getting this effect. And that's not something you can do in the basic Unreal Engine gas. For that you usually have to go and like make a gameplay effect for each and every one of them. So if I had like, let's just say, oh, compile failed, great. If I had like 12 hair colors that you could possibly have, then I'll have to create a gameplay effect for all 12 hair colors, which seems pain in the ass. Not allowed for functions with no return value and no output about parameters. 30. 30. Okay. Which one should I use then? I mean, like, sure. And then I think that'll work. Boolean types, Boolean types. Hold on. Let's try. It didn't sound like it worked, but give me a second. Blueprint property C. Plus plus. Nope. Plus plus. All right, so we got this far. This far. Oh, we got farther. Clue. Is that not what the am I really bad at this? No, it's a clue. Do I need the it's up here too. Do they all have to be virtual? Is that the idea? Let's do that. Before I do anything else, I'm just gonna double check if that's the way. Okay. I'm just gonna go back, property C++ object reference. That's what I'm trying to do, right? I'm not sure what this guy's trying to do. Print reference? No. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Oh, I can do that. All right. I'm gonna try it. And if it doesn't work, actually, you know what? Let me push compile and see if my change worked. And then if I'm right, then great. Shh. I'm just gonna do a thing. Don't push save, Del. Don't push save. So if I can do that instead, that's something I would rather do. Where's my list? Did I in my infinite wisdom? Yeah, it's 100%. Um, this one. Don't push. Don't push. I could try using replicated. I don't think that'll work. I don't think it'll work if I make it replicated here, but eh. I'll give this a name that's more useful, like clue tags. Alrighty then. All right, that worked. So let's try it the other way, where we go like this. We just have these things exist. Compile again. All right, so the idea with this is that hopefully I'll be able to create this clue, just set the clue tags. Oh, it's already failed. That's good. Set the clue tags. I'll bet it's that replicated thing. No. The declared identifier a clue. Struct, so it shouldn't do more than that, right? I take this one out because that's the one I'm not sure about. I know it's dumb, but I think that might be it. Nope. Oh, Dodoy. Uh, use of undeclared identifier a clue, but I don't think that's the actual area error because it's not returning anything, right? Or how did it compile last time? Who knows? It's a mystery. Okay, while that compiles, I will be away for a little bit. I'm sure there's a... Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, that's good-ish. All right, so in here, he makes a thing, new object. So what we'll do, he won't do anything with it. We'll just that's all we'll do because we need to return something out of here, right? It stopped spinning. Hey, complete. Great. All right. So in here, we have a clue. There it is. Let's right click this, create a blueprint class derived from that. We'll stick it into game detective system, and we're going to call it. Oh, sorry. I have to go back in. I have to do some bad rename. Call this old. And then now we'll go right click. Nope, cancel. There we go. Name your new clue. BP clue. Oh no. How about now that I've like changed it? That's probably because it's got whatchamacallit. Oh, what's referencing it? Guest character. The only thing referencing this is this guy. Let's see. So it's got a redirector. So like in case you have like an old, so I renamed it so it's like, oh, if somebody's still trying to use the old name, we have that thing existing and I'll just go right back to there. But we want to get rid of this asset, browse to asset. Oh, I know where it is. Settings, show redirector, thumbnails, thumbnail size, edit, developers, content. I don't know. No. Engine content? No. Localized content? No. Show favorites, filter recursively. No. Is there a no? That's not what I want to do. Maybe I have to search the internet. I'm sure somebody's done this. Enable show redirected content browser. I thought I had that. Did I not have that? Show plugin, show filter recursively, show folders, show sources, organize folder, vertical, horizontal. It's not here. It's not here, bro. It's not here. Oh, is it on? Oh, it's the little tiny dot. Absolutely. There you go. Show redirectors. Do it. Uh, okay. Oh, it's up here, huh? All right, delete this. Delete, fix. All right, we did it. Hooray. Now I can go down here. Um, and create that class. No complaints. Great. Great. And in here, got this stuff. Default scene, default scene, variables. Those are the variables. Components. Okay, compile, save. So now we're trying to find out, do I need to tell it where to go? Maybe. Give me a second. Um, just gonna close most of this. There we go. Okay, we've got that category. Let's give it a category. Oh. Recompile this again. Okie dokie, smoky. Oh my god, how old is this? March 2014. Oh my god. No. New class blueprintable. Is it blueprintable? Did I blueprintable it? No. All right. That's one that we missed. That's fine. That's fine. We're good. Maybe that's all we need. Let's push the button. Or a little break. We'll find out. It didn't break. I don't see our additional stuff. It did turn into like a thing. I just have a got this. Do I just have to do? Oh, okay. Never mind. It's all there already. All right. That's probably where I want them to. Can I delete them? No, that's two. That's two. Oh, God. Okay. I accept this change. All right. We'll do the same as the other one. Collision. Box collision, captures collision, sphere collision. I'm just going to do it simple. Get, wait. You know, that's good enough. And then, what did we have it in the other one? $300. All right. This is gonna be um, sphere. Okay, is this one of those ones where I can do? No. All right. And it's gonna have a class. Oh, compile. And we're doing this 300. Nope. 300 to begin with. Just setting it back up how it was before. Oh. And just like the other one, we're going to do things. Now, um, let's and then this can be a oh, gameplay queue task. Uh, like that. I think that's what we'd have to do. Um, how would? Oh yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. We might not even need our. If we do this, we won't even need the other one. Oh, we do need the other one just so we know. Um, so let's do that. Clues, class default, empty. Just to like make it happen, and then um, begin gameplay. We don't need this. Delete. All right. So what's going to happen for now? We're just going to set this to this. And compile, save. Done. All right. Good, good. So in here, we should probably do this. Guys, all I want to do is, thank you. We're gonna make it modifiers. I kind of copy what he's doing here, except we're gonna go a instead of modifiers. Actually, sorry, um, not quite. I'm gonna have GE clue. And there's actually, we go up to, I had it open. Uh, let's go with gameplay. Sorry, F game play effect. New gameplay effect. New gameplay effect. All right. Inheritable gameplay effect tags. That's what we're looking for. Dot added tags I inherited and tags I added minus tags I removed. Tags that should be removed only if a parent had them. All right, so this will be a disaster, or it'll do exactly what I want. Let's find out which one it is. Oh, that's doing that. Crashing. So we're going to make a new gameplay effect. We're going to make it instant, so it's going to be on there. And then we're going to say that the gameplay effects that we're adding are going to be the ones in glue tags. Ooh, I liked it. Compile. All right. All right. Okay. Then we're going to do begin actor overlap. No, we're going to go other actor. Cast to guest character. And we're going to get ability system component. Then we're going to apply gameplay effect to target. And this is wrong. We're going to apply it to the other one. Nope, wait. Right, that was right. Because you're going to do a gameplay effect to target. And the target is actually the other gameplay effect class is, oh, the class. That doesn't help me. Oh. I don't know if I can do it that way. Let's see. No. Okay. Compile and save. Save it at least. I know I haven't selected the class. And there's no ability system component here. Can I? Huh. But once you, the thing is, if we make a class, then we're doing like reflection. I'm not in the mood for doing any reflection. So he's applying it right away to whatever it is. So maybe that's what we need to do. Source. Oh, it's magical, huh? Ability system component. Get original instigator ability system component. Which is the person who hit. The weird thing, this is in the weird spot, which is why it's confusing me. He's got it in the attribute set saying that when this set is changed by a gameplay effect somewhere else, blah blah blah, then it'll do add another gameplay effect. Why we just don't, I'm doing something much simpler where I'm just like trying to get it through an ability. Maybe I just need to like feed it into a function. So let's do that. Why can I, when does it have to, when does it stop being, didn't I have something open for this? Owning an object in any way, it can be into, our new one is going to affect a thing, so we can't use pure function. Blueprint callable constant, blueprint callable. Let's roll with this one for now. So we'll say that we want to apply the clue effect to ability. Do I have it up here? No. Let's add it. Good. And then guess character has some. Right, ability system interface? No. Character attribute set? No. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ability system component.h. Let's okay, so we'll do this. I think I can just do detective ASC and then we can do like Trantic does here and apply that. I'm just gonna double check the I'm kind of sad that I get like form result. Yeah, that's why I wanted to do this. I guess it doesn't care. That looks oh, blueprint. No, 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 no. Attempt, calculate, get duration, get set. That's not it. No, no. I need um there we go. I'm gonna click on documentation. Nope. Can I not spell? It's possible. Let's be wild and just kind of copy this and see if it like does what I want. Because it might just do what I want. And I managed to do ASC in the right order the first time. And GE Bounty isn't GE Bounty, it's I think that should work. It'll tell me real quick if it doesn't. Okay. So instead of doing the apply in we do the apply in C++ instead of blueprints, maybe we can get away with it. Instead of having it, because in blueprints they want a class, not an object. But I'm not gonna do fucking reflection just to like see it happen in blueprints, you know what I mean? When I can just make the object and do it in C++ and assume it's gonna happen. Let's see what it didn't like. Really? Come on, how am I gonna like add things? Add a US game tags, gameplay effect component, access, use game asset. And it doesn't like the clue is a pointer. You mean to use arrow? Oh yeah, you're probably right. Right. So it's already giving me, telling me it's broken. All right, or it will be broken in the future. It doesn't make sense to me because that's literally like what it's using. What else is it going to use? .3 gameplay figure. Add a U asset gameplay effect components. U asset tags gameplay effect component. So are they gonna like? Is the idea that they're not gonna have like a? I'm gonna push this while I research this. So they're not. It's a gameplay effect. It's gonna change to something else. Is that their idea? Thin type of thing. Compiled. Compiled. Maybe it's because it's authority only. This is not an authoritative um, overlap. Oh, uh, get code. And then down here, oh, it doesn't do that. I take this off. I do this, and I get clue effect. It's there. Executes on some client. Apply clue effect. All right, where is that? Did I already close the page that had all like? Yeah, I think I did. Oh, do you mind? Save now. Work in here. Give me a second. Can I just go apply clue? No. Ah, great. I'll accept from Blueprint code if running on a machine with network authority, a server is there a single game. Oh, what? Oh, I accidentally had Alt pushed. Well, now you know what that does. From the console, no. blueprint callable. Do I have to put both? Is that the idea? Maybe I have to put both. Hold on. I mean, that would make sense. You can call it, and also only authority can call it. All right, while this loads, I will be right back. One day I'll figure out why it stops at 35. What's so special about 35? What's so special about it? All right. So we'll create a clue. We'll apply it. And hopefully this thing will show up. Oh, hopefully it won't, crash the editor again. But you know what I mean. So I could do, yes, let's try and restore it. That's fine, because I'm not, it's just a tease. It was just a tease. So early on, I was having a lot of problems with compiling C++ stuff in here. But kind of like the figured it out thing, maybe you haven't noticed, is you can't start things outside of Unreal Editor. So like
If you want to add a C++ class, you can't just add the file, even though that should be like legit as far as like Unreal Editor is concerned. Ooh, nice. You can't do it. It'll fuck it up. So always add your classes in here, and it should work out just fine. There it is. Okay, so the question is, do I need to do that? Or is it just like, it ended up being like that because of my previous mess up? Probably my previous mess up. Let's try this. Compile. The weird thing about Blueprints is it's like, except for like when I've like haven't filled out stuff, I've never had it not compile. You know what I mean? I feel like it should just be a save button. And then if you push save and it goes, but maybe people need the distinction. Okay, and I'm just gonna open this guy. Open. No, it doesn't. All right. You can always get it back, but don't worry about it. We're going to go sphere. Component begin overlap. Other actor. Okay. And then we're going to hop into here. Sphere. What's it was this just overlap, right? It's all set to overlap, right? Okay, good. That's to what we have for the default, just so it looks right in the. Oh, that looks wonky on here. Am I imagining that? I'm just really close to it. Okay, so in theory, I'm going to put this back down to just the one of us. It's not the one.
I set it to 3,000 instead of 300? Is that what's going on? It is. All right. Stop. I'm just trying to like edit the value. Thank you. Compile, save. All right. Clues test. Target self. All right, we need a. Do we need it? No. I'm gonna go. Other actor. Other actor is. Last name. I don't know. That's like. Right? No. Um. Over that. Compile, save, go. Cast works. Apparently. So the cast works. One, the cast works. Two, compile, save, go. Okay. That doesn't do anything. Apart from compile. It compiles. Do I care if it just compiles? No. I needed to do more than that. Let's look up his actual words on this. Achieve this functionality. What you need a runtime. Also, we call it. I don't even know how. Okay. Oh my god. No one cares. All right. So this is what we're trying to do. Maybe this is more not worky than I want it to be. More than deprecated. All right. I've been searching that Unreal website. What if I search the whole internet? Right now, it seems to be gameplay effect component. That's what they're trying to do with the other one, right? So I should be doing it that way. Get granted tag, get stack, get matching, get version as matching. So maybe we need to do it this way, where we add a component. If you've got your own component matching the query if it exists. Okay. That doesn't look like it's actually going to solve my problem. No. 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 Hmm. Let's see if this is getting added at all. And we'll do this in a simple way by, so assuming this still works, I should be able to do something like this. And we'll do too much effort. Ah, damn it. Clue, duration policy. This is deprecated, so it might not work. But we have game effect component class. Is there a thing that tells me what version this is for? Five. Okay, day. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to revisit this because it's getting all the way to here, all right? This just isn't doing anything. And is it because it's only on the server? Well, I should be on the server because I'm standalone. Well, actually, one more. I don't think this will help. But I'm gonna just do a quick little push the button just in case. No. There's nothing like happening here. So yeah, there's no, this isn't going through. And this isn't, it's getting this far, that's for sure. But that doesn't mean anything. I had that before. But we've gotten to a point where I'm not crashing every time I like compile something. That's a brand new kind of experience. Things seem to be doing what I think they do. That's another brand new experience. Except for this whole thing not adding the gameplay effect. But that's all right. I think we did pretty good. Where's my text? So he kind of does this. We've exposed those to blueprints, gameplay effect that adds those tags. Yeah, maybe we do have to like turn this into a class at some point. That would suck. I just have to. Maybe I just have to learn C++ reflection. Let's go. Yeah, let's call it for today, and then just kind of like come back again when I figure out what's going on in that little box there that I this thing here. All right, we'll see you again next week.